In our last project, we made a really simple but super effective dry mixture for plants using just eggshells, charcoal, and compost. And honestly, it works wonders. The first step is to completely dry the eggshells and then grind them into a fine powder using a blender. This might sound basic, but eggshells are full of calcium, which is essential for strong plant stems, preventing problems like blossom end rot, and keeping your plants healthy overall. Next, we crush charcoal into small pieces or even powder if possible. The smaller it is, the better it works because it can hold nutrients, retain moisture, and provide space for beneficial microbes to live and multiply. Once you have your eggshell powder and crushed charcoal ready, mix them with well-decomposed manure or compost in a large bucket. Make sure everything is mixed really well so that the nutrients are evenly distributed. Using this mixture is simple. You can dig a shallow trench between your plants or a small hole near their roots. Sprinkle some of the mixture and cover it back with soil. If you prefer, just lightly spread it on top of the soil and mix it in a little. The key part here is watering afterward. Water activates the charcoal, helps release nutrients from the eggshells and compost, and encourages microbial life in the soil. These microbes are like tiny workers that slowly break down organic matter, release nutrients, and improve the soil structure, making it much healthier for your plants. Now, we're going one step further and turning that same mixture into a liquid fertilizer that we've been using in our garden for years. This liquid isn't just for poor barren soil. It's also amazing for giving a boost to plants that are already growing. To make it, start with your dry mixture of eggshell powder, charcoal, and compost, and add non-chlorinated water. Chlorine can harm beneficial microbes, so if you only have tap water, let it sit for a few hours before using. Stir everything together and cover the container loosely. Over the next 24 hours, something really interesting happens. The water starts pulling nutrients from the eggshells and compost, while the charcoal absorbs minerals and provides a home for microbes. These microbes become very active in the solution, creating a nutrient-rich liquid that contains calcium, trace elements, and other compounds that plants love. You might notice a mild earthy smell, which is totally normal. It's a sign that the microbes are alive and doing their job. Have you ever experimented with kitchen waste like eggshells or coffee grounds in your garden? How did it go? After 24 hours, your liquid fertilizer is ready to use. Start with a garden bed that looks weak, compacted, or lacking nutrients. Before applying the liquid, water the soil lightly. Moist soil helps microbes move and ensures the nutrients soak in evenly. Pour the liquid slowly across the bed so it reaches the root zones of your plants. You can also use this liquid for plants that are already growing. Pour it gently around the base, being careful not to wet the leaves too much. With regular use every 10 to 15 days, you'll notice amazing changes. The soil becomes richer and softer, microbial life increases, and your plants start growing stronger, greener, and healthier overall. What's really cool about this liquid fertilizer is that it works on multiple levels. The calcium from eggshells strengthens plants over time, charcoal holds nutrients and supports microbes, and compost feeds the microbes and improves water retention. Together, they create a living, nutrient-rich solution that slowly improves the soil, strengthens plant roots, and helps plants withstand stress. Over time, soil that used to look dry and lifeless transforms into rich, healthy earth that can support plants almost on its own. It's simple, natural, and completely sustainable. By making and applying this liquid fertilizer consistently, You're basically creating a self-sustaining cycle of healthy soil and thriving plants, and the results are truly rewarding.